Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I am sharing a small Michaels haul along with a Tuesday morning haul. So when I went to Michaels, this is before Black Friday, I used a 20% off of everything, sell stuff at Joann's. So all this stuff right here was with tax, it was like $18.96, which doesn't sound the greatest, but it was not a bad deal. So what they had was, some of the stuff I got was not that great. So this stuff right here is a Creatology. So this is the kids section stuff, like the created kit stuff for kids. And so this stuff was 50% off. So the regular holiday stuff was buy one, get one, 50% off, I think it was. And then I got the 20% off coupon. And I got it only because it was stuff that I had something in mind for. But these are really, really cute. So if you go to the Creatology section, they have some really, really cute stickers over there. And they were 50% off. So they were $1.50, plus we got the 20% off on it. So they were $1.20 each. So this is a puffy sticker, and it's like sweaters and stockings and things like that. Really cute. And then I really liked this one, which is a gingerbread one. Really cute. And then this one is a layered sticker. So this one was a really good deal. I probably should have got more of those, but I just got the one. And they had some other ones that I just wasn't feeling. But these are layered stickers, and they're glittered, and they were a really good price. So don't forget to look over there. The ones I bought there, buy one, get one, 50% off, which I only got to take advantage of one of those. I did buy these wreaths. I always find a way to use those. I really wanted these. So these are snowflakes that I could layer in silver and gold on different projects. And then I really wanted these candy canes. They're dimensional candy canes, so I thought they'd be really cute on various embellishments. So, and then I did get some ribbons. So this is the ribbon that I got. The ribbon was, I believe it was 50% off. So I got the kind of candy cane stripe. I got the blue snowflake, this green with polka dots, the Santa belt, and then this kind of minty colored one. So that is my haul from Michaels. So there's that. And then let me show you what I got at Tuesday morning. So when I went to Tuesday morning, I was really like disappointed because it looked like there was nothing new that I had come when they hadn't gotten their truck. So I was feeling a little bit sad. I did look, and when I looked, I did find some treasures. I'm going to start with the ones that aren't, they're okay, they're not that great. And then I'll go into the what I think is really good stuff. So they had a bunch of these Bow Bunny blossoms, and they had them in different kind of funky colors. They had like yellow and green or whatever. I got this one because I thought it was very fall, and I don't have a lot of fall, but I thought it'd be cute to use on projects for next year. I don't know why I bought for next year, but I don't know. I just liked it because it was different. Anyway, they're $1.99, 2057441, and they had a whole bunch of different ones. And then I did see this, which I did get this one. This is a building a snowman, which is really cute, from the Paper House. And they're dimensional stickers with glitter and everything. The number for this is 2053261, and it's $1.49. Also from the Paper House, they had these nutcracker guys, which I thought was really cute, and comes with some holly, and it comes with candy cane, $1.49, and 2053272. Really dimensional and all glittered up, so those are really pretty. And then they had a bunch of gems. So I just got the gems that I didn't have because they had the royal blue ones, but I already got those. These are really great for centers of flowers also. So it's $1.49, 2057470. So I got that one. And this number is 2057474, so shades of pink. And then this kind of gold, or they're calling it mocha. 2057472, $1.49. So I got those. And then they had these. These are called Everyday ephemera. And the number for this is 2057305. It's $1.99. I don't know if this is older or what, but I just loved it. So cute. Those little mason jars are adorable. So I got that. And then I did buy these hearts. And they are a Bella Boulevard brand, $1.19, 2059314. So that was decent. And then I was like, you know. So I decided to look through the paper, even though it looked like all the paper was stuff that I had been seeing forever at Tuesday morning. But I did find some hidden gems that I'm very excited about, actually. The first is I found Authentique. And I got 2 of them, and this is their Solitude, and it's kind of like a winter. It's got very muted colors, but it's very pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I got that. And then they had Frontier. This was the first one that I found, and I was surprised because the price on this was a little bit higher than normal, because normally they sell these for $5.99. It's still a fabulous deal. But just keep in mind that normally it's $5.99, and this one is $6.49 for some reason. But this is Frontier, and it's 2018, so it's not an old pack. And it's 2039922, $6.49. And you get, I don't know how many sheets of paper, it doesn't say on here. But what's nice is I'm loving how the companies now are, when they've got their front carrier sheet, they're making it so that you actually can use it if you want. So this is like the same on both sides, but you could cut these apart and use these. And that's what I did with my Echo Park. And I'm loving that. So the newer ones, check and see that front paper is something you can use. And it's very, kind of masculine. But I think my sister Scrapper did a really cute project with this. So I'm going to have to look and see what she did. And then they had this one, which goes with the Solitude paper that I just got. And so this is the 12 by 12. So in this one, it's $5.99. The number for it is 2039920. And you get 8 pattern papers. And then you get a cardstock die cut sheet, and then random alpine papers. I don't even know what that means. So apparently there's 2 collections in this thing in one, which is kind of odd. It doesn't bother me, but it's a little odd. I mean, if the papers go together and they're all authentic, I'm totally cool with that. But it is sort of odd, right? So I don't know. So, I mean, there's quite a few papers in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 papers in here plus the sticker sheet. So, I'm fine with that. And then this one, can't really use the cover sheet, but that's okay. So anyway, kind of weird, but I'm fine with that. Doesn't bother me. Just interesting. And then the last thing I got, oh my gosh, I couldn't even believe it. I wasn't even going to look over there. And then I did, and I'm so happy because I found Jingle. I was going to buy this the other day from your Scrapbook Stash because they had 40% off. And I decided not to buy it because I really wanted to only buy things if it was a really, really good deal, like super good deal. So, like when I'm buying things online, like for Black Friday for crafting, I'm looking at like 40 and 50% off unless it's like a 30% from a company that never puts stuff on sale. But if they do put stuff on sale, then I got to hold off and try and wait till after Christmas because I feel like I can get a better deal. I love it. I got both. But they had more than this. They had like 8 of them. They had a lot of the Jingle. But I got 2 of it because I love it so much. So it's $5.99. You get 16 double-sided papers and coordinating accents. And the number for it's 2039919. And I love it. It is so cute. And you also get like a sticker sheet, I think. But anyway, it has this adorable Santas. It's got gingerbread and gingerbread houses, these cute teacups, this candy. So stinking adorable. And I can't believe I found it. I'm so excited. And so it does have, these aren't stickers. These are like die cuts or something like that you pop out. But they're very cute. It's very vintagey. I love it. So I'm super excited to find that. To me, that was finding the authentique was just a great find, because authentique is like way over my budget, honestly, because it's really hard to find in a store. So it's gonna be pricey. So and this is a good find as well, even though it was a little bit more money. Still much cheaper, because authentique is usually between $20 and $22 online. Sometimes you can get it for $12 or $13, but never for $5.99 or $6.99 for a whole paper pad. So it's a really good deal. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.